From wild science comes the science of natural health and well-being. Explore the properties of plants and how they are used in natural medicine with this unique science kit filled with hands-on activities. Learn about the chemicals in plants and experiment with techniques used to make traditional remedies. Use plant extracts and plant-based pH indicators to explore acids and bases, pH balance, and chemical reactions. Make plant slime and discover its uses to promote human health. Learn laboratory skills like extraction and filtration to separate and test plant pigments using paper chromatography. Extract essential oils from fruit to make citrus bath salts. Explore fragrance and chemistry with a color-changing mix for making bath fizzers. And make some lavender-scented fragrance diffusers. Discover how spending time in nature can promote well-being. Collect flowers and herbs and learn how to dry the plants to create a pretty jar of potpourri. And make a scented dream pillow for a peaceful night's sleep. The full colour instruction book includes over 20 activities that explore the science and pseudoscience of natural health. Learn about the health benefits of plant-based foods and the history of some unusual traditional therapies. The science of natural health and well-being. And remember, there's only one wild science.